Welcome to our channel. If you want to download your complete Twitter archive to back up your data, follow these step-by-step instructions to request and access your information. Step 1. Log into your Twitter account on a web browser. The Download Archive feature is not available through the mobile app, so you must use a desktop or laptop computer. Step 2. Click on the More menu on the left sidebar, then select Settings and Support, followed by Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Navigate to your account in the Settings menu. Then click on Download an archive of your data. This option allows you to request a full backup of your Twitter information. Step 4. Enter your password when prompted to verify your identity and authorize the data download request. Twitter requires this security step to protect your information. Step 5. Click Request Archive to submit your request. Twitter will begin compiling your data, which includes all your tweets, direct messages, media uploads, and account information. Step 6. Wait for Twitter to process your request. You will receive an email notification within 24 hours when your archive is ready to download, though it can sometimes take up to 48 hours. Step 7. Check your email for the notification from Twitter, then click the link provided to return to your settings page where you can download the archive file. Step 8. Click Download Archive on the settings page. Your archive will be downloaded as a zip file that you can extract and view in your web browser. The archive includes an HTML file that displays your data in a user-friendly format. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.